For those of you that don't know, this is me. Look at me. I'm so happy to be underwater. Just to compare, here's me outside of water. See? Nowhere near as happy. And this guy? This is Israel. He's my instructor. Here he's telling me to inflate my BC so I don't fall 3,000 feet into the abyss. Because we're diving at the Santa Rosa Wall, also known as the drop-off.
They're going to the drop-off? What are you insane?
A little bit. Cozumel is a small island off the east coast of Mexico. The west side of the island is home to the second most expansive reef system in the world, the Mesoamerican Reef. Most of the dives in Cozumel are drift dives, which means that the current pulls you along as you watch the reef float by. Every once in a while, Israel would point out something cool, like this grouper. I honestly have no idea what he's pointing at here. Any ideas? There are these cool caves all throughout the reef. But we didn't go inside, because this was actually my first boat dive. Our next dive site was about 20 minutes north at the Yucab Reef. The drop-off here wasn't as dramatic, but there was a ton of sea life to observe. These lobsters were huge. Here's a banana to compare. Yeah, still doing okay. Thanks, Israel. It was a little sad to wrap up our second dive, but really, I was just incredibly grateful to have had this experience. It's an entirely different world down there, one very much worth exploring.